Hi guys, and welcome back to my Law of Attraction 21-day challenge. Today is day 12, challenging negative thinking patterns. And this is one big mess, and I was really overwhelmed. So this is a real challenge for me to overcome the negativeness of just wanting to leave the mess. My son's allergic to eggs, so I had to make a lot of the birthday treats and food myself. So there are a lot of leftover dishes, and when there's more than one dishwasher load, I really find it hard to find motivation to keep doing dishes all day long. Yes, that is a battery jumper charging on the chair there. That'll kind of let you know how my week is going. But challenging negative thinking patterns, I'm not going to let that decide the tone of the rest of the week. A lot of this mess is leftover crafting from the last few days, last-minute crafting from the last few days, and also just throwing everything on the floor when we came home late the night before. It took me most of the day just to get the apartment back to normal messy levels, but it was really good overcoming these negative thinking patterns, thinking that I was going to have a messy place for the whole week.